Good morning, dear students. My name is Kumar Gaurav. I welcome you all today. I hope you all are good at home and you have done all the work whatever I have taught you. You know very well about I am just teaching you about conjunction, and conjunction is the main important part of your grammar, and you have to just complete your conjunction daily notes and send to me the pics of your notes at evening. Just do it and try to do the practice of conjunction. With the help of conjunction you can combine two sentences or three sentences to words or phrases. Okay, so yesterday we have discussed about conjunction, part I mean subordinate conjunction. It was conjunction of time, you know. Today we are going to discuss about uh, conjunction. Firstly, we have to know what we are studying. Conjunction. In conjunction, we are studying subordinate conjunction. Subordinate conjunction. You know very well about it. Subordinate conjunction. What is this? I have already told you. Okay. Now, in this subordinate conjunction, I am teaching you about this. I have already taught you about conjunction of time. Okay, conjunction of time. Now we are going to discuss about conjunction of region or cause. Conjunction of region or cause. In this conjunction of region or cause, we are going to see how the word is going to connect two sentences and showing the expression of region and cause. Region or cause. Okay, it expresses in the sentence region. Okay, how? Since, as you can say that, because it is very important. Okay, you always use this because, you always use this as, and since. Since you are here, you can use this sentence in this way. Since you are here, I can help you. Okay, so look at this sense. It may be come in the middle of this. I can help you since you are here. In this way you can say that the sentence I can help you since you are here. Okay, you have to study yourself since you have no any teacher at your home. Okay, you have to study yourself since you have no any teacher at your home. So you have to study means there is the region. Okay, next we have as and because. As it is, as the person, such person, he is your friend, you have to invite. Okay, and because you can say that, write down because I have done this work in the morning, because I have to go to visit today. Now this is the sentence. I have done this work in the morning. This work, in place of this you can write down my work. I have done my work in the morning because I have to go to visit today. Okay, where you have to go you can write down here. Okay, I have done my work in the morning because I have to go to visit today. So in this way we have seen since and because and as. These are the words or types of these words always express the region, okay, in the sentence while connected to sentences into one. And I have told you about this subordinate conjunction always makes one thing, that is complex sentence, okay. So note down it, and after that we are going to discuss about next topic of this. Just note down it. I hope you have noted it. Now we are going to discuss about next topic. And one more thing, you have to search in the particular topic which we are discussing here. You have to search. There are a lot of words maybe in the sentence and maybe in the topic, okay. Any extra word if there is, so you have to write yourself conjunction of purpose. If there is any purpose, okay, purpose of doing any work, so you can write down conjunction of purpose, okay. How can you say that? With the help of purpose, firstly we have to know it expresses the purpose, okay. It expresses the purpose. How can you say that the purpose is? You have to write down. So here is list. It is a word. List, it is a word by which you can use. So you can also use this. So that, okay. So that first list, do this work. List, you should miss your job, okay. Do this work in the purpose of this job, getting this job. In this sentence we are getting purpose with the help of this list. List is showing the purpose in another sentence of this sentence, okay. Do this work lest you should miss your job, okay. So in this way we can say that this list in Hindi, when we talk about, you can write down the meaning of this. कहीं ऐसा ना हो जाए, okay. Do this work. Now you can understand the meaning of this list, okay. Look at this list, you should miss your job. More example you can write down. Work carefully lest you should fall down. Look at this. This work is going on because the purpose of this, okay. The purpose of this work will be, you can say that, lest walk carefully lest you should fall down. That's why you have to walk carefully, okay. If there will be no any purpose of falling down, you never will be careful, okay. Suppose study carefully lest you should fail in the examination. That's why you have to study carefully, okay. Look at this. There are two sentences combined with two simple sentences. This word is conjunction, means subordinate conjunction, and making complex sentence, okay. Now we have so that. Next word is so that. How can you say that this word is also making one kind of purpose? in another sentence, the sentence of one thing that converted into another in the purpose of. Okay, so note down it first and then we will discuss about so that. I hope you all are understanding about the concept of this conjunction. It is very important for your examination, and with the help of conjunction you can connect any kind of sentences and you can make a lot of sentences with the help of this. Okay, and try to understand with the help of conjunction you can find out your clauses. Clauses I have told you about: subordinate clause, coordinate clause. In this way, in the subordinate clause I am teaching you one by one, part by part, noun clause, adjective clause and adverb clause. Okay, so in this way, without studying hard, you can find out easily what is the clause. Have you done it? Now we have so that. Okay, we have so that. How can we make this so that? I do this work daily so that you can study daily. Okay, I do this work daily, okay, so that you can study daily. Suppose I am saying that I teach you daily so that you may first stand first rank in the examination. Look at this. I teach you daily so that you may stand first rank in the examination. Okay, so in this way, this type of sentences always expresses one thing, that is purpose. Purpose of this sentence is here you may get, means purpose of this work you may get stand first in the examination. With the help of so that, we have done this. In Hindi, when we talk about the meaning of so that, it will be taki. Okay, I'm telling you about the Hindi. If there is any confusion, you can find out the meaning of this. Okay, note down it. And we have seen two sentences of this so that. Now we are going to discuss about the next topic of this conjunction, conjunction of result. Okay, conjunction of purpose we have already seen, we have already discussed about. Now we are going to discuss about conjunction of result. I hope you are understanding about the concept of this. Okay, have you done? Now we have conjunction of result. You know, when I was teaching you about coordinate conjunction, I have told you about the result, how the conjunction reacts about the results, I express the result. But in this subordinate conjunction, it is also, there are some word by which we can find out in the sentences. Sentence is complex, but we can say that the expression of the sentence will be result. So I have the word that is so that. Okay, in the purpose of conjunction, I have told you about the so that, this so that, but this time this so that. This is pairing word so, blank and that. Okay, so this, there will be no any kind of confusion. Look at this, so, blank and that. Okay, now you can use this. He is so weak. He is so weak that he can't study further. Okay, look at this. He is so weak that he cannot study further. Okay, in this way you can say that. There is some name Harry is so ill that he can't walk in the morning. Look at this. There is two sentences. He is so weak that he cannot study further, and Harry is so ill that he cannot walk in the morning. So we have two sentences. In both sentences we are finding out one sentence. The result of one sentence is in the second sentence. Okay. So in this way we got this so that, also making the result when it connects two simple sentences and making one complex sentence, so it expresses so that. Clear? So in this way you can make a lot of sentence. Note down it. Now after that we have another, the conjunction of condition we will study about. Okay, we will discuss about condition. In the condition you will find out another word. Note down it first. I hope you have done it. Today we will finish this conjunction part, because in the 10th examination this board examination of 10th, conjunction is not more important, but you can study it, and with the help of this you can combine the sentences. Okay, but for the 9th examination it is important. They will study in 2020 and 21. They will appear in the examination. They will find out the conjunction will there. Okay, next we have condition. Now we have condition, the conjunction of condition. How we can make any kind of sentences in which we have the expression of condition. Okay, the expression of condition, how can you find out? Look at this. When it expresses with the help of if and with the help of unless. Look at this. There is condition, there will be condition. Unless and if. First we will find out if. How can we use this if? Okay, if you want to make this, suppose if you study, you will get you will stand first rank in the examination. Okay, if you study you will stand first rank in the examination. This if is showing the condition. If you study you will stand the first rank in the exam. Okay, this if also you can make it if you in the past I'm making this sentence, if you worked hard, I hope you have done it. Have you completed? Okay. Now we have another, we can write down. Okay. In this way we can make unless. Wait. You can use unless. Unless is also expressing the condition. Unless. With unless you can't use not. You can't use not. Okay. Unless you study, you will not stand first rank in the examination. In this way you can make sentence. Unless you study, you will not stand first in the examination. This type of example you can make. With unless, there will be no any kind of not word. Okay, you don't have to use here not in this sentence. Okay, if there is unless. Note down it. Now we have more on conjunction of condition, as well as we have already discussed about the conjunction of result, purpose and time. You know very well about the conjunction of, next topic will be conjunction of purpose. Conjunction of, purpose is over. Conjunction of comparison. In the conjunction of comparison, you will find out comparison of adjective, and I have already taught adjective in 7th class. You can also, if you want to see the video of that, you can see also that. Don't worry, I will also send that. So in this way, comparison, conjunction of comparison we are studying. Now we are going to discuss about as, you know, and then. You know very well, as and then. In this way you can use this. He is as wise as my friend. This sentence, in the sentence we will find out as. Okay, he is as wise as my friend. Now in the another sentence, he is wiser than my friend. In this way we have seen this conjunction of comparison. Okay, in detail we will discuss about that in the next class. Okay, first we have completed this conjunction of comparison. In this way you will find out any kind of conjunction which have the expression of comparison. Okay, with the help of as and then. Okay, now we are going to discuss about last topic of this. The last topic of this will be conjunction of contrast. I have told you about the conjunction of contrast, and you know conjunction of contrast in coordinate conjunction, but in this subordinate conjunction it is also conjunction of contrast. So conjunction of contrast, what is this? You will find out I, thou, and thou, thou and at. With the help of, with thou there will be no any at, but thou you can use at. In this way you can make thou he is poor, he is an honest man. Okay, although he is poor, he is an honest man. So in this way we can't use at with the with although. Okay, so it is conjunction of contrast. One sentence has the contrast in second. And thou he is afraid at he passed his examination. Look at this. Thou he is afraid at he passed his examination. So I hope you understood the concept of conjunction. All the conjunction, it has been over, and in this way we have completed this topic. And in this topic we have one thing, that is conjunction of place. You have to also write down yourself where you can use wherever you go you will find your friend. So in this type of sentence you will find out in the comparison of place. So I mean in conjunction of place, sorry, not comparison of place, in the conjunction of place. So in this way we have completed conjunction, and you have to find out extra words from anywhere, from any grammar books. Yourself you are just trying to think. So make your conjunction yourself, and there is, if there is any kind of problem you can ask any question. So I hope the class is now you have already understood all the things, and class is over. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.